Hey everybody, this video is on the expanded form strategy for addition. The expanded form is pretty much the same thing as your standard algorithm that majority of us are used to. The difference is that it expands the numbers so that the students can see place value and understand what they're moving from place value to place value. So we're going to start with this equation here, which is 389 add 263. So we write it out in expanded form. 300 plus 80 plus 9, because that would make 389. And then on the bottom, we're going to write out 200 plus 60 plus 3, because that would make 263. Complete with your addition symbol. Same thing as what we're used to. Stacking is just expanded out. So then we'll start with 9 plus 3, which is 12. Now, students can choose to leave it. Sometimes I have my students just leave it like that so that they can just add it back together later. Students can move the 10 to the tens place and just leave the 2. I can show you both ways. This is how I have my student that I tutor do his, which is we do 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 80 plus 60 would make 140. And then 300 plus 200 is 500. So after we have all those pieces together, then the student I tutor, we add them together little by little. So we would start with we can start with 500 plus 140, and that equals 640. And then do 640, add the 12. And that gets us to 652. And that would be our answer. Now, we can back it up and do it the way that a lot of us are used to doing it. Just so we can see both ways. Let me erase this real quick. Alright. So then we could do 9 plus 3 is 12, so we drop the 2. Carry the 10 over here. So then 80 plus 60 would be 140. Add 10 would be 150. So I drop the 50. And then move my 100 over here. And that would be 100 plus 300 is 400. Plus 200 is 600. String it back together. 652. So like I said, it's very straightforward in the sense that it is just like the stacking method that we're used to, just expanded out so that students can see the place value that they're working with.